Hi, I am Alexandra Barker. The Census Bureau is accepting requests from eligible government units for a review of their 2020 census counts for population living in group quarters. Through the 2020 Post-Census Group Quarters review, tribal, state, and local government units can submit their requests between June 2022 and June 30th, 2023. Let me show you the steps to submit your request. Your first step is to determine if it is necessary to submit the request. The PCGQR will only accept cases for group quarters that would have been open and occupied with residents on April 1st, 2020, but residents were sent home because of the pandemic. Because residents were sent home on April 1st, 2020, you may suspect that all residents may not have been counted. You will need to review your group quarters population counts from the Public Law 94171 Data Table P5. To learn how to access this data using data.census.gov, click on the link above and watch our data gem, How Do I Access Group Quarters Population Data from the 2020 Census Redistricting Data Files. You will need to review the data from Table P5 for your area to start building your case. Now, let's go over some of the critical requirements for submitting your case. Your package must include a completed 2020 Post-Census Group Quarters Review or PCGQR response template, also supporting documentation and any additional documentation that will help the Census Bureau review your case. You can download the response template provided by the Census Bureau from the 2020 PCGQR page. Let me show you how to get there. You can also click on the link above to visit the page. Go to census.gov and use the search bar to search for PCGQR. Click on the first result. Once you are at the 2020 PCGQR page, you will see a variety of resources as you go down the page, including the participant guide. This guide provides all that you need to know to submit your request. Now let's find the participation materials right below. Expand 2020 PCGQR response template and click on the link to download the template. Once you open the file, you'll see that the first tab provides guidance about the template and definitions. On the second tab, you can review group quarters type definitions. The group quarter name tab is required, and you will use it to provide detailed information about the group quarters and the population counts. When filling out this template, you can also use the geocoder available on the PCGQR page to identify some of the information required here, such as the state FIPS code, county FIPS, census tract, and census block code. The resident client data is optional. If you want the Census Bureau to review the demographic information about the group quarters, please fill out this tab. Once you finish filling out this template, save it as an Excel or CSV file. Now let me show you how to use the geocoder. So let's go back to the web page. Let's expand US Census Bureau geocoder and click on the link to open the geocoder. For this example, I will use an address in Boston. Type the address and click on Get Results. From the results, you'll be able to see the list of codes for each geography that this address belongs to. Let's go down to the smallest level of geography, the census block. From the components of the block, you'll be able to see all the codes that you need to fill out your response template. Next, For your supporting documentation, you must provide a written correspondence from the highest elected or appointed official or their designated representative. This document must include 1. A summary of the contents of your submission package. For example, a report from the facility, a letter from a qualified administrator stating count and date of count. You must also provide as much detail as possible about the group quarters count discrepancy to assist the Census Bureau with its research. The documentation must discuss and certify the accuracy and validity of the source materials used to prepare the case by including information on the creation date, time frame, usual use, and the maintenance cycle. All sources used to revise the group quotas counts must include the addresses as of April 1st, 2020. Next, all your documentation will be submitted as a zip file. I will show you how to submit your case package electronically, which is the preferred method, but you can also submit a paper case if necessary. Click on the link above to access the participant guide, which covers in detail every step of the online and the manual case processes. To submit your case package online, you need to use the Secure Web Incoming module, or SWIM. If you already have a SWIM account, you can use that for your submission. If you do not have an account, you must contact the Census Bureau to request a registration token by email at dcmd.2020.pcgqr.submissions@census.gov or by phone at 1-844-242-1765. Now, let me show you how to submit your package online. First, access SWIM using this website or click on the link above. Let's create an account and log in. Click on Register Account. Then, fill out the account registration information starting with the registration token and click Submit. Now, let's log in. At the Welcome screen, click on Start New Upload. From the screen, what census program are you reporting data for? Choose the Post-Census Group Quarters Review. Click Next. From the What Type of 2020 PCGQR entity are you reporting for screen, choose the entity choice that aligns with your government unit entity type. Click Next. By completing the subsequent windows associated with the government unit entity type, opens the Select a zip file to upload screen. Select the Add File button and the Choose File to Upload screen will open. From the Choose File to Upload screen, navigate to the directory location of the 2020 PCGQR case zip file. Click Open. Add additional pertinent information to the Comments section. Select the Next button to proceed with the upload. The thank you screen appears and indicates a forthcoming email once the transfer completes. Government units can expect to receive the email within a business day of uploading the submission. The 2020 PCGQR team will review your case and either accept it or send it back for corrections. This completes your submission process. I hope the information in this video helps you submit your request successfully. For more videos like this, visit census.gov/academy and subscribe. Thank you.